Good morning to everyone. Today we are going to discuss about chapter 1 number system exercise 1.1 third round letter. Okay. Before we enter the third round letter, let us see in previous class what we have seen in previous class. So what is integer, then properties of integer, addition of integers. Okay. Now we have to see the third round letter. Add the following a and minus 12 using number line. So we need to add by using number line. So we need to add the integers by using number line. Okay. Let us see the first question and using the number line. Let us consider the number line. 0 must be the center, isn't it? So right side of 0 is positive integers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Left side of 0 is negative integers. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7 and so on. Okay. Okay. See here a and minus 1. So we need to add, that is a plus of minus 1. So we need to find the answer, right? Here see, first 8. So start from 0. So listen, start from 0, move towards right side. Okay, so we count 8 units. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So start from 0 and count 8 units. Okay, so this one 8. Clear? And next from 8, see minus 12. Minus 12 means move towards left side. Okay, here start from 8. We count how many units? See here 12 units move towards left side. Clear? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Clear? So this is the 12 units. So finally, what's the answer? The answer is minus 4. Clear? So the answer, what's the answer? The answer is minus 4. Okay? Again one time I say, so listen carefully. See here, start from 0, we count 8 units, move towards right side because see positive. So positive means move towards right side. Okay? Negative means move towards left side. Okay? So we count 8 units moving towards right side. From 8 we count how many units? 12 units moving left side. Okay? And finally the answer is minus 4. Can you understand this? Okay. Next see the second sum. Minus 3 and minus 5 using number line. Okay. See third round letter, add the following. We need to add the number by using number line. Okay. So let us consider the number line. So 0 from center. So neither positive nor negative. So right side of 0 is positive integers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and left side of 0 is negative integers. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8. Okay, and see minus 3 plus of minus 5. We have to find the answer. Okay, so minus 3. So minus means moving left side, move towards plus minus 5. Okay, from minus 3 we count. See here, minus means move towards left side, isn't it? So minus 5 from 3 we count. How many units? 5 units. See, from 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is the minus 5. So that is the answer is, what's the answer? Final answer. That is minus 8. So the answer is minus 8. Okay. Can you understand this? Minus means moving towards left side. Positive means moving towards right side. Can you understand this by using the number line? Okay. Next, see the third sum. So what's the third sum? Minus 100 plus minus 10. We need to add these two integers. Okay. So minus 100. Then see here, plus bracket means what I am saying already, multiple. See, multiple, that is plus multiple minus. So we need to mention the sign only, isn't it? So these are different sign. Different sign means we need to mention the sign minus. So here mention minus and 10 as it is we want to write here. Clear? And equal to. See, both are same sign, isn't it? Same sign means we need to add the number. That is 100 plus 10. So 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. And 1 as it is. Clear? So 110 and most important thing, symbol. So which one is the biggest number? That is 100. So the sign of 100 is minus. So you want to mention here minus in our answer. Okay, can you understand this? Okay. Okay, next let us see fourth one. 20 plus of minus 72. So we need to find the value. See, 20 plus of minus 72 equal to, first we remove the bracket. So bracket means of, that is multiple. Okay, so see 20. So 20 as it is like here. Then plus into minus, that is different sign. So different sign means you need to mention the sign minus and the number as it is want to write 72. Can you understand this? And see, both the different sign, isn't it? Here positive, here negative. So different sign means we need to add the, we need to subtract the number. Okay, same sign will come means we need to add. Different sign means we need to subtract the number. So 72 minus 20. So first we want to subtract the number. So 2 minus 0, 2. 7 minus 2, 5. Okay, so we want to write here 52 and you mention the symbol. See, which one is the biggest number, greatest number? Which one is? That is 72, isn't it? So the sign of 72 is, see here, minus. You want to mention here minus in our answer. Okay, clear? And next move to the next sum. See here, 82 plus of minus 75. So we need to find the answer. First these two integers we want to add and find the answer. So 82 plus of minus 75 equal to. So 82 as it is you want to write here. Then so we remove the bracket. Bracket means multiple. So plus multiple minus. What's that? That is minus, because different sign no. So different sign of in multiple means we have to write minus. So opposite sign means we have to write minus and then 75 as it is you want to write right here. Clear? That is different sign means you want to mention the sign minus. Okay? And then see, both are see different sign. So different sign means we need to subtract the number. So we have to subtract the number. Okay. So 82 minus 75. Okay. So we need to subtract. See here. Here 2, here 5. So we not add. That means 5 is the biggest one, isn't it? So we not subtract. We carry the near number. So here 7 and here 12. Okay. Okay. So we borrow the near number. Okay. Which means here 8 goes to 7 and 2 goes to 12. Okay. See here 12 minus 5. So what the answer? 7. Okay, and 7 minus 7 0. So no need to mention in our answer. Okay, so finally what's that? 82 plus of minus 75 equal to 7. And see these two numbers. Which one is the biggest number? 82 is the biggest number. So the sign of 82 is plus. So you want to mention here plus in our answer. So the answer is what's that? Plus 7. Okay. Can you understand this? Next, we go to the next sum. Sixth sum. See, minus 48 plus of minus 50. The same like that. Okay. First we move the bracket. Minus 48 plus into minus. What's that? Minus. Okay. Because different sign. So we need to mention the sign minus. So remaining as it is you want to write here. Okay. Same like that. Different sign. Isn't it? So different sign means we need to subtract the number. So 48 minus 15. So first subtract. 8 minus 5. The answer is 3. Okay, 8 minus. Okay, listen. See here, this is not subtract because see here in 48 front side minus is there. So both are same sign, isn't it? So same sign means we need to add the number. So not subtract. Okay. See here, listen carefully. Same sign means we need to add the number, right? Okay. 8 plus 5. What's the answer? 13. So 3 here and 1 goes to the next number. 1 can goes to the next number. Okay. See. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. So the answer is 63 and we want to mention the sign. So which one is the biggest number? 48. So the sign of 48 is, see here, minus. So you want to mention here minus. So the answer is minus 48 plus of minus 50. The answer is, what's the answer? Minus 63. Can you understand this? Okay. Shall we move the next one? Okay. See. Minus 225 plus of minus 63 equal to these two integers we want to add and we get the answer, and finally we want to find the answer. Okay. And first of all we remove the bracket. So minus 225, see, plus multiple minus. So different sign. So different sign as usual we want to mention minus. Clear? And remaining as it is you want to write here 62. Listen, both are same sign. So same sign means what I am saying already. Say same sign means we need to add the number. So first we want to add the number. 225 plus 63. So first we want to add the number. 5 plus 3, 8. 2 plus 6, 8. And remaining 2 as it is not to write here. Clear? So the answer 288. And one most important thing, symbol. So which one is the biggest number? Greatest number? Which one? 225. Right. So the sign of 225 is answer. So finally we want to mention the greatest number sign in our answer. Clear? So the answer is minus 225 plus of minus 63 equal to, the answer is minus 288. Can you understand this? All the sums for third round letter? Okay. Okay. Next, let us see the fourth sum word problem. Okay. See the question. Tenwala appeared for competitive exam which has negative scoring of 1 mark for each incorrect answer. Clear? See, Tenwala appeared for one competitive exams. Competitive exam means like TNPC, then IBPS bank exam. So that like for competitive exam. So Tenwala appeared, that is Tenwala attended one competitive exams which has negative scoring of 1 marks for each incorrect answers. For each incorrect answers, negative marks were allotted. Okay, so see, which has negative scoring of 1 mark for each incorrect answers. Okay, next see, which has negative scoring of 1 marks for each incorrect answers. Incorrect answers means wrong answer. So wrong answers carries negative 1 marks. Okay. In paper 1, she answered 25 questions incorrectly. Okay. Which means in paper 1 she answered 25 questions wrongly. So wrongly they will answer. Okay, 25 questions in paper 1, and in paper 2 13 questions incorrectly. Incorrectly means wrong answers. So in paper 2 how many questions they will attempt? 13 questions incorrectly. That is 13 questions wrongly answered. Okay, then find the total reduction of marks. We need to find the total reduction of marks. Okay, can you understand this? Okay, next see solution. Okay, number of questions answered. Okay, listen. Number of questions answered. What's that? Number of questions answered incorrectly. That is wrongly, incorrectly. Incorrectly in paper 1. So in paper 1 how many questions attempted? Wrongly 25. That is 25. Okay, for each questions, that is for each incorrect answers. For each incorrect answers carries minus 1 marks. Okay, that is negative scoring marks. That is negative scoring. What's that? Negative scoring for 1 incorrect, for 1 incorrect answer. So for 1 incorrect answers, what's that? Minus 1 mark. Clear? See, number of questions answered incorrectly. In paper 1, incorrect answer, that is wrong answers. How many questions? 25 questions in paper 1, right? And negative marks for each one wrong answers, that is minus 1 mark. Okay, and next in paper, that means so in paper 1 means we need to multiply. In paper 1 total reduction marks in paper 1. Okay, that is we need to multiply. That is 25 into minus 1. See here, Different sign no. So different sign means we need to multiply and we mentioned the sign negative minus. See different sign means we mentioned the minus and we want to multiply as usual. 25 into 1 25. So minus 25 marks in paper 1. Clear? Okay, next we have to find in paper 2. So paper 1 we have to find minus 25 marks in paper 1 and next we have to find paper 2. See, same like that. See here, number of questions. What's that? Number of questions answered incorrectly. What's that? Incorrectly. So number of questions answered incorrectly in paper 2. In paper 2, how many questions? She will attempt 13 questions, isn't it? So 13. Clear? And negative scoring. So what's that? Negative marks. That is negative scoring marks. So negative scoring marks means minus 1 mark, isn't it? So minus 1 mark. And next, in paper 2, we have to find in paper 2 how many marks she will reduce. Okay, which means these two one we want to multiply. So 13 into minus 1. So first we mention the sign. Multiple means we mention the sign. So different sign. So different sign means we have to mention minus in our answer. So minus and we as usual we want to multiply 13 into 1. 13 ones are 30. So in paper 2 she will reduce 30 marks. What they are asking? Finally find the total reduction of marks. They will ask. Okay. So listen. Total reduction of marks. So total reduction of marks. They will ask. So total means we need to add. Clear? So in paper 1 and paper 2 we have to add and finally we get the answer. Okay. See in paper 1 how many marks she will reduce? 25. So minus 25 total means add. Okay. And in paper 2 how many questions? Minus 30. Clear? Okay. Next, see minus 25 we remove the bracket. So plus into minus already you know. So minus 30. Clear? And see result here. See both are same sign. So same sign means we need to add the number. So these two numbers we want to add. 25 plus 30. 5 plus 3 8. 2 plus 1 3. Okay. So 38 and we want to mention the sign. The sign is very important. Okay. So which one is the biggest number? 25. So the sign of 25 is minus. So minus 38 marks. So total reduction of marks minus 38. Okay, can you understand this? Okay. Next, see the next questions in fifth one. See, let us see in a quiz competition, team A scored plus 30 minus 20 0 and team B scored minus 20 0 30 in 3 successive rounds. Means 3 successive rounds means next round. So totally 3 rounds. See result here in a quiz competition. Team A. So first round in team A scored 30 and team B scored minus 20. Clear? Next, team A scored minus 20 in second round and team B scored in 0 for second round. Okay? And next, that is third round. team A score 0 and team B score plus 30. Okay, in 3 successive rounds. That is the successive rounds means next round. Okay, so totally 3 rounds, 3 successive rounds. Next round. Okay, and which team will win? So which team will win this quiz competition? And another one question they will asking, can we say that we can add integers in any order? We have to say, can we say that we can add integers in any order? Okay, now we have to find. Is it yes or no? Okay, listen. Solution. Okay. Total scoring of team A. What's that? Total scoring of team A equal. So total scoring of team A means we can add, which means already we have to say we can add integers. So we can add. First we can add. So in team A, what's that? Plus 30 and plus minus 20 plus 0. We have to find. Okay, listen. Plus 30. Right here. 30 and plus of minus 20. So bracket means multiple. So plus into minus. What's that? You know very well. So minus 20 plus 0. So see, both are different sign. What's that? Different sign. So different sign means we need to subtract. So subtract the number. What's that? 30 minus 20. 0 minus 0, 0. 3 minus 2, 1. So take and we mention this sign. So which is the greatest number? Plus 30. Is it the 30? The sign of 30 is plus. So we have to mention here plus in our answer. So this one which team? Team A. Okay. This one what? In team A. In team A score 10. Clear? And next team B is total scoring of team B. This is total scoring of team B. See here, team B. What's that? Minus. What's the given? Minus 20 plus 0 plus 30. Okay. So successive means next. So that's only we can add. Okay. Listen. So see, different sign no, isn't it? Different sign no. So negative, positive. Different sign means we have to subtract. Yes, already I subtracted. So same like that. So what's the answer? Finally. So it's a different sign. We need to subtract. So already I put here. So 30 minus 20. The answer is 20. And we want to check in sign. So which is the greatest number? Okay. So again what I can say. Okay. In deeply see minus 20 plus 0. 0 and if any integers, any number add with 0 means same number, isn't it? That is minus 20 plus 0, minus 20 plus 30. Right? See, different sign means we need to subtract the number. That means 30 minus 20. So 0 minus 0, 0. 3 minus 2, 1. So take. So which is the greatest number? 30. So the sign of 30 is plus. So we have to mention it. Or otherwise no need. want to write both teams are equal. That is team A equal to team B. So both team are equal. So both team are equal means, and again they will ask some questions. What can we say? That we can add integers in any order. Yes, we can add integers in any order. Means there is any changes having? There is no changes. So this one, which property? Did you remember that? Which property? In order does not change means the answer does not change. Which order? Commutative property. Okay, good. So that is the commutative property only, means we can change any order, means the value does not change. That is the commutative property. Okay, so finally we have to write yes. What's that? Yes, we can add any integers in any order. So finally we want to write here. Yes, we can add integers. What's that? We can add integers in any order. What's that? Any order. Yes, we can add integers any order, means the answer will be the same, does not change. Okay, can you understand this? Okay, next see the sixth sum in your book. See, or 11 plus 7 plus 10 and 11 plus 7 plus 10 are equal. What's that? Equal. They will say equal. Both are equal. Mention the property. We need to find the property. Which property? First, listen here. 11 plus 7 plus 10 equal. They will say equal, which means 11 plus 7 plus 10. See, directly we have to say this is which property? Listen, rearranging group, isn't it? So first two integers we use the group, and equal to right hand side first integers after we using the group. So group means which property will come? Yes, associative property. So both are equal. Just we have to find once again. This is 11 plus 7. You know very well. What's that? That is 17. We have to add plus 10, 11. Okay, listen. Sorry. 11 plus 7. What's the answer? 18. I put wrongly. So sorry. 18. 11 plus 7. 18 plus 10 equal 11 plus 7 plus 10 17. Okay, we have to add these two numbers. So 10 plus 18 28 equal 11 plus 17, that also will come 28. See, easily we can say, directly we have to say this is the which property? Associative property. Yes, it is a associative property. So which property? Associative property. Because they are asking are equal? Yes, both are equal. So equal means associative property. We can take three numbers, three integers, isn't it? So directly we want to say this is the associative property. Okay, next we move the seventh sum. Find 5 pairs of integers that add up to 2. We have to find 5 pairs of integers. We have to find 5 pairs of integers that add up to 2. We can take any 2 integers. We have to add. The answer will come 2. So which order we have to find? Okay. So first I write answer here. So we have to find 5 pairs. So first part, just you think which integers And next, which value will come? Any idea? Okay, yes. -1 plus 3. So these are another integers, another pair of integers, isn't it? Because if both are different side, we have to subtract which means both are negative sign. We need to subtract the number. So 3 minus 1, 2. So the answer is also 2. Yes, correct. So third one I find it. Remaining 2 pair we have to find. Guess any idea? Next one what will come? Yes, -2 plus 4. So this also another pair, isn't it? So -2 plus 4 means the answer will come 2, isn't it? Yes. Okay. Next, remaining one pair we have to find. What will come? Yes. What's that? Means -3 plus 5. So that another integers, another pair of integers, -3 plus 5. So that also will come plus 2. So these are the 5 pairs of integers. Okay, can you understand this? Okay, next, see the 8th sum. So what's that? The temperature at 12 noon at a certain place was 18 degree above 0. Okay, if it decreases at the rate of 3 degree per hour, means per hour it decreases 3 degree. Okay, at what time it would be 12 degree below 0. We have to find the time. Below 0, 12 degree, what time? We have to find. Okay, listen. They will given 4 options. Okay, so which options will come? That only we have to find. Okay, let us consider the number line. Okay, so 0 must be center, and right side of 0 is positive integer. Left side of 0 is negative integers. Okay, listen. The temperature at 12 noon at a certain place was 18 degree above 0. So 18 degree above 0. So I mentioned here above 0, 80 degree means 12 noon. Isn't it? That is the first line meaning, the temperature. So these are temperatures. So temperature at 12 noon at a certain place was 80 degree above 0. Okay, and if it decrease at the rate of 3 degree per hour, each hour decrease 3 degree. So that's why I can take 3. So starting 3, 6, 9, 12. So like this. Okay, and decrease means this side, which means downside. That is moving towards left side. Okay, so listen. After 12 noon, it can be considered the 1 p.m. isn't it? After 12 noon, it will come 1 p.m. isn't it? So 1 p.m. the temperature is 15 degree. And next one, after 2 p.m. the temperature is 12 degree. After 3 p.m. the temperature is 9 degree. After 4 p.m. the temperature is 6 degree. Okay. After 5 p.m. the temperature is 3 degree. And after 6 p.m. the temperature is 0 degree. Okay. Then after 7 p.m. the temperature is -3 degree because below 0. So that's one thing, minus. Okay. The next, after 8 p.m. the temperature is -6 below 0. And next, after 9 p.m. the temperature is -9 below 0. And next, after 10 p.m. the temperature is -12 below 0. So the answer is, what's that? The answer is, therefore, the answer is 10 p.m. So 10 p.m. if it decrease the answer. Okay, after, listen, it decrease at the rate of 3 degree per hour. At what time it would be 12 degree below 0. So 12 degree below 0 means what time? That is 10 p.m. Okay, next move to the next 91. Identify the problem with the negative numbers as it answers. We have to find the So these are the integers, isn't it? So 3 integers we want to add and finally get the answer. So minus 9, we remove the bracket, plus into minus, minus 5 plus 6. Okay, and next. So these two integers we want to add or subtract. First we have to check. So both are negative. So negative means we need to add the number. So 9 plus 5, what's the answer? 14. 14. So which is the biggest one? Biggest number? 9. So then we need to mention the sign minus. So see, the sign of 9 is minus. So we want to mention here minus. Right? And remaining plus 6. As it is, we want to write here. Okay, now we have to see different sign. No, different sign means we need to subtract the number. So 14 minus 6. What's the answer? 8. Good. 14 minus 8. 14 minus 6. 8. And we put the sign. So which is the greatest number? 14. The sign of 14 is? The sign of 14 is in front of the sign minus. So we have to mention here minus. Okay. Next. See the next option. 8. Now we can add these 3 integers. Okay. So first a and remove the bracket, plus into minus, minus 12 minus 6. Right? And so first integers, first term we want to write here a, and these two we have to simplify. Okay. See these two same sign. No, same sign means we need to add the number. So 12 plus 6, 18. Okay. 8 and mention the sign. See which is the biggest one? 12. So 12 in front of the sign minus. So you want to mention here minus here. Okay. And next. See, compare this. I mean next. See the both numbers. Both are positive or negative? No. Both are different sign. So different sign means we need to subtract the number. So 18 minus 8, 10. Okay. Which is the biggest one? 18. 18 in front of the sign minus. So we need to mention the minus in our answer. So first and second. And next, third one. We go to the third one. So we want to add these 3 integers. So minus 4 as it is you want to write here, and plus these two are adding. So 2 plus 10, you know very well. What's that? 12. Okay. And now we have to see. Both are different sign. Different sign means we have to subtract the number. So 12 minus 4, 8. Okay. So which is the biggest one? 12. 12 in front of the sign plus. So we have to mention the plus in our answer. Okay. Next, we go to the fourth one. We have to add these 3 integers. So 10 as it is right here, and remove the bracket and plus it minus, minus 4. And we want to write plus 8. Okay. So first these two numbers we want to simplify. So both are different sign. Different sign means we need to subtract. So 10 minus 4, 6. And remaining as is 1 right here. Plus 8. So 6 plus 8. What's that? 14. Okay. What they are asking in our questions. Identify the problem with negative numbers as it answers. We have to find negative answers problem. So which one? So first option and second one. So these two problems having the negative answers. Okay. And before sums, which one? Answer which option? Fourth option. Okay. Can you understand this? Okay. Next, see the next sum. 10th sum. Present minus 10 plus of plus 7 equal to dash. They were given 4 options. So which answers will come? We have to find. Okay. Now we have to simplify. What's that? Minus 10 plus 7. So both are different sign. Different sign means we need to subtract the number. So 10 minus 7, 3. So which one is the biggest number? 10. So 10 in front of the sign minus. So we have to mention minus in our answer. So which option? see here, second option. So second option. Clear? And next, 11th one. Minus 8 plus 10 plus or minus 2. So we have to simplify. So these are we want to add and finally we get the answer. So minus 8 plus 10. We remove the bracket. So plus into minus, minus 2 equal to. So first these two we want to reduce. So both are different sign. So we want to subtract the number. So 10 minus 8, 2. So which is the biggest number? 10. 10 in front of the sign plus. So we mentioned here plus in our answer. And remaining as it is you want to write here. Right? Plus 2 minus 2. So 2 minus 2 what's the answer? The answer is 0. So which option is here? See here. Third option. So we will have third option. Okay. Next move to the last one. 20 plus or minus 9 plus 9. Okay. Then 20. We remove the bracket. So plus into minus, minus 9 plus 9 equal to. See, first these two we want to simplify. So positive and negative both are different sign. Different sign means we need to subtract. So 20 minus 9, 11. So which is the biggest one? 20 in front of the sign plus. So you need to mention here plus in the answer. And remaining one integers. So we want to add and write here. Right? So these are positive means we add the numbers. So 11 plus 9 what's the answer? 20. Okay. So which option is here? First option. Okay. Or another one method. Directly we want to find the answer. Means see here next to two integers minus 9 plus 9. So both are same number but different sign means we need to cancel and easily we can find the answer. So this is also another one method. Okay. Okay. Today our teaching part is over. Next we go to the homework. See the homework exercise 1.1 second row letter add the following. Okay. So in add the following nearly 10 sums is there. So first two sums using number line. Okay. And remaining sums we have the normal additions. Okay. And third one see find 5 pairs of integer that add up to 3. So we need to find 5 pairs of integers that add up to 3. Okay. And next fourth one find the